Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we are doing Skillet Spinach Lasagna. Uh, I've been hungry for some Italian food, so went on the old interweb and found this recipe. It sounded really good, so decided I'd bring you all along and show you how to make it. Alright y'all, we're going to start this out with, this is a pound of mild Italian sausage. We're going to put her in the frying pan here, get her all fried up and crumbled, and then we'll continue on with that from that point. But that's how we're starting out. So let me get this browned, and we'll come back with the next step. Alright y'all, we got that Italian sausage all cooked up. Now we're going to take 8 lasagna noodles and just break them up into little bite-sized pieces as best as possible. Alright, got our noodles all busted up there and added in. Now we're going to add one 28 ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and one 8 ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm going to stir that in, get it all mixed up together good there. That sauce is what's going to cook our noodles. Get everything all mixed in there good. No escaping noodles. Alright. Got that all mixed in there. Get those noodles all down in there as best I possibly can. Alright. Now we're going to bring it to a boil. We're going to throw a cover lid on it, turn it down to low, and just let that simmer for about 25 minutes or so until your noodles are soft. So let me get that done, and then comes the next fun part. So bring y'all right back. Alright y'all, noodles are all cooked up kind of nice, and so now we need to add about a half a cup of ricotta cheese. I'm just going to eyeball it because I don't feel like messing up a measuring cup, and you know, I like ricotta cheese, so if there's a little bit too much in there, you know, it can't be too much, right? Alright. Yeah, that looks like about a half cup. And then we're gonna add 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese. They said fresh mozzarella, so you know, we're gonna try to. This is fresh as I could get. So they said just to add the slices, but you know, we want it to mix up there and get it all mixed in there. So we're going to rip it up and toss it in there. You know, that way it melts in there nice and easier. Nice and easier. So, alright, let's see here. And I also wanted to say too that for people that don't like pork or sausage or whatever, you can do this with beef. I found a variation of this exact recipe where they used beef, but they added like oregano and all that kind of Italian seasonings and some red pepper flake to it, and got the Italian flavoring with the beef. So got our cheeses added. Now this is about 2 cups of chopped baby spinach. That's the spinach. Oh shoot, the spinach lasagna. Looks like I could have almost used a little bigger pan, but it'll be all right. We'll get it all mixed in there. Try not to burn myself on the burner down there, but we're just getting it everywhere. But okay. Try to get that all mixed in there. That ricotta cheese kind of mixed in there. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Mozzarella's melting nicely. Alright, I think we're going to just do that. Alright, now I'm going to throw the lid back on it and just let her sit for 10-15 minutes. Let that cheese melt and that spinach kind of cook. So when we get that all done, we'll bring you guys right back. Alright, y'all. It's set and everything's kind of mingled together. You can see I made me some garlic bread. So let's get a scoop of this out of here and we'll put it on the old plate. We're using a bowl today, so y'all, that looks delicious. Y'all, that is amazing. The cheesy. Whoo! Get the cheese up in there. So, alright. That looks awesome, y'all. So, let's go over here and do our taste test. Alright, y'all. Got our lasagna in a bowl here. So, we're going to give it the old taste test. Cheesy, hot. That's amazing, y'all. You can actually taste the spinach in it, which is delicious. The Italian sausage. Oh, them noodles are cooked perfect. That is amazing, y'all. I love it. Woo. I think I like that better than regular baked lasagna. It's quick make, too. I mean, I made it in half an hour. So, alright, there you go. Spinach, or skillet spinach lasagna. Y'all gotta try it. Like I said, you can make it with beef too. You just have to add your Italian seasonings into it. You know, the little crushed red pepper, basil, oregano, maybe some garlic, onion, you know. Just get them Italian seasonings in there, and I think it'll turn out about the same. So, appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Hope you're gonna try it. And as always, bon appetit.